What unfolds when Samsung's own Team Galaxy creators enter the kitchen with culinary legends? A sizzling showdown that's sure to turn up the heat. Welcome to the ultimate cooking competition, Cooking with Galaxy.
This is Cooking with Galaxy, and I'm your host, Daniel Bennett. Let's take a look at the teams. First, the Samsung Snackers. Starting things off from Team Galaxy is none other than Harry Hudson. He's partnered with Chef Taylor Rankin, who you know is Hungry Mockingbird. Watch out for this pair. Their competitors, the Galaxy Gourmets, are none other than Caroline Rick from Team Galaxy and your favorite private chef from the Hamptons, Riley Meehan. Here's the stakes. Each team has 1 hour to make their unique recipe. My chef friends in LA hooked us up with some challenging recipes. But I have a feeling these teams are gonna add their own twist. We've got some secret ingredients up our sleeves, so grab those phones and sharpen those knives. And just remember, when the stakes are high, only Galaxy can rise to the challenge. All right, the timer is set for 60 minutes. Let's do this.
Yes, chef!
All right, everyone, are you ready to get started?
Born ready, baby.
Your guys' recipe will be in an envelope at your station. You guys will be texted yours. Head to your stations. And fair warning, you're all wearing incredible Galaxy devices that can track your current heart rate. So if I catch your heart rate too high throughout the competition, I'll make you take a 1-minute breather to chill
Do
out.
what? Just chill? I'm Harry,
And I'm Taylor.
and we are the greatest name of all time, the Samsung Snackers. Are you kidding me? What is all this?
This is so unorganized.
You can summarize it.
No way.
Watch. 6 pages of, okay, what are we looking?
Unorganized recipe.
Place
No
it.
way.
Now it's just one half a page.
Try not to pay attention to the
Yeah.
competition. We're in the zone.
Did you take a bite out of this?
I got hungry. Come on.
I don't know what that says.
Well, why don't you call Chef Alex? You got his number, didn't you?
Yeah.
Of course you got his number. Well, that sounds like Korean.
That's Korean. It's cool. Let's just use the live translate feature. Hello. We're missing 2 ingredients. Can you tell me what they are?
Garlic cloves and 1 in ginger. Good luck.
1 inch of ginger, right? Okay.
Thank you. So how I usually cook is I'll look at the ratios of everything.
Okay.
So for every 1 ground cinnamon, you want half ground cumin, half chili powder.
Okay.
So we're gonna get that going, and then for every that, you want 2. They're pretty good. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Quarter cup. Add the apple cider vinegar.
Do the honors of adding in our salt.
Yes. How much should we do? Nice bigger pinch? Mm-hmm. We like salt.
Yeah, we love salt. Salt makes it good. So you'll go right here.
Okay.
And it's the root of the onion that actually makes you cry. So you want to try to avoid it as much as you possibly can. And you're gonna go in 3 times up and then go like that.
Oh my God, you're gonna chop your finger. Do I think she could benefit from like a couple culinary school classes? Maybe not chop her nails off into the chimichurri sauce? Like, yeah, but she held her own in there. I gotta give it to her.
How big should I cut it?
Thin strip. You're using scissors?
I don't want to touch it. I don't take criticism well.
Give it a whiff. Oh.
What the heck? Interesting smells. All right.
Okay, it's
What
okay.
do I
The
do?
tomatoes are gonna really balance it out. And then we're gonna add in a little bit of spice. Just remember, it's gonna try to go down.
No, just.
But it's stuck.
Okay.
She's gonna leak out. Could you guys keep it down over there?
She's leaking.
Totally forgot to tell you guys, my chef friend, he only speaks Korean, by the way.
Yeah,
So,
we called him. Use live translate.
no way, good call.
We're good.
This smells a little bit better over here.
Smells like winning.
Smells burnt.
I saw my guy sent you like a super long recipe.
Yeah,
we
How'd you handle that?
summary. throw
Yeah,
it
thanks
into
to
the-
Galaxy.
Yeah, honestly.
We were rolling. We both don't like chocolate, both don't like shrimp, and everything was delicious.
I actually was like, dang, this is impressive. I was proud of us.
If everyone could put everything down, come over here. It's time. It's time to flip the dish. That means you'll be swapping stations with the other team to finish their recipes.
Come on. We have to take over their dish.
You have to take over their dish, and you guys have to take over their dish.
That's not fair. They're not even like 25% done.
I'm gonna get out
Really
of the way.
silent. Okay, yeah.
And my
They haven't even
tears.
cooked this.
What should I do?
We're gonna figure this out.
I think we just I need to taste what they made. Yeah, it's really salty.
Is it bad?
I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit.
Yeah, I feel like they rigged us. They made that sauce super salty.
It was rough.
I'm so mad.
Anything spicy is my vibes.
Okay, hit them with a little oil. It looks like they seasoned them already.
More?
That's good.
We're such a good team.
Look at us go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, can I
Use
get my
the
phone,
tongs.
please?
Yeah.
Throw them on the grill. I need to take over. You're so slow.
Literally shrimp in the sauce.
Sauce?
I'm back with one last challenge for you guys.
Absolutely
One
not.
last challenge.
Come on.
I just texted you both a bonus ingredient you have to use in your dishes, okay? Both of you just received the text.
Oh my gosh.
The meal's already done.
Cheeto pepper?
What is it?
They're in the basket. Go grab it.
I know, we got this.
One more.
So long.
You guys look a little stressed after what just happened. Taylor, we should check your heart rate. If it's over 100, you guys have to take a breather.
All right, well.
Deep breaths, deep breath. I have nothing done.
It's over 100. You guys have to take a 1 minute breather. Out of the kitchen.
Well, all right.
60 seconds.
I'm
We'll
a
come back
therapist on speed.
stronger.
Yeah. And so now we're jumping into a dish that's pretty messy and kind of nasty.
We already tasted it. It's a little bland. It just tastes like gochujang and sesame. So hopefully we can try to fix it.
Being a doctor, you know, like you need a lot of surgery. That's kind of like the dish that we're working on right now.
I get this chicken cooking. They did a really good job with these skewers, so hopefully it cooks really fast.
Yeah. Rock 'em out.
Chicken's on the barbie.
More flame. Throw the chicken on the barbie. Yeah. Ah.
Yeah.
Got it. We're back at it.
Perfect.
A reminder, guys, you have 5 minutes. 5 minutes left.
5 minutes
I
left.
highly
Plate.
recommend you start
We gotta plate.
plating, okay?
What plates are we gonna get?
Okay.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
This?
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1. Step away. Step away.
You know, that was a tricky twist you threw us, but I think we went in there and adjusted everything that we needed, and I'm pretty confident. It was a beautiful dish.
I didn't want to like say this before, but I'm kind of mad.
What do you?
Because
at me?
yes, my dish was way
Come on,
better
we
than
gotta do
yours.
mine.
I designed it way better than yours.
Okay, well,
and we're
that's
gonna lose,
subjective.
and it's definitely gonna be your fault.
You have got to be kidding. My dish was beautiful.
no.
Our dish was beautiful.
I just feel like I have better taste than you.
Okay, well,
And
taste
you
is
should've taken
subjective, so
Well, we're literally in a cooking competition.
yeah,
so like,
and I'm the
definitely not.
chef.
Each team will now have 5 minutes to photograph your dishes. The clock is set. Your 5 minutes begins now.
Grab the tablet.
Okay.
We'll do sketch to image. We'll take some pictures of it,
Take our pictures.
and then watch the magic happen.
All right.
Maybe make one of the shrimp bigger though.
Yeah, like a jumbo shrimp, like a huge shrimp plate. Okay, love
chill,
that.
chill out.
What's going on here?
You messed me up all day today. You know what I'm saying?
Wow, that was a perfect tracing. Like that?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay, jumbo
like
shrimp
smaller.
has been jumboed. Okay, this is iconic. My old phone could never have done this.
I know.
Beautiful. I'm pretty happy with it.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it too.
Great.
Look how cute that is.
That's pretty cute. Okay, I think I'm just gonna throw like a classic margarita on there.
We should match it with the plate. We could make it a Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary.
Yeah. Culinary doesn't really work out for you.
This whole culinary thing doesn't work
Yeah.
out. Look at that. That's
so
amazing.
good.
Let's see. Wine glass. Make it more like a wine glass. Okay.
Beautiful.
We'll see what happens. Wine glass.
My old phone doesn't.
Ooh.
Good
Yeah, this is Galaxy AI. Baby, that's what I'm talking about. Make a nice napkin like this size.
Okay.
It's great. Yep. That looks like a napkin. Or it looks like no paper, but we'll see what
We'll
happens.
see what's shown.
I think it's gonna go into a nap.
I'm not much of an artiste.
Wow.
Oh, that's
Wow.
gorgeous.
S Pen's down. Both teams, please present your dishes. Galaxy Gourmets, you're up first. Tell me about your dish.
I had to walk into a mole that was already prepared. We grilled the shrimp and tossed those with some of the grilled shishito peppers and a little lime. And I put some pickled onions on there to kind of cut through all the richness of the mole.
Awesome. This looks good, but tell me about your editing process.
So since this is a Mexican dish, we decided to add a margarita using Galaxy AI.
I see that. I don't see a real one.
Okay, that's not my fault. We added a little flour for flair.
Okay.
It's just cute. And then we added in, we made one of the shrimp large.
But so you can see
Large
how
in charge. You can
see the
perfectly seasoned it
texture.
is.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Wow, it's kind of spicy.
It's got a little kick to it.
In a
I
good
will
way.
say, that was a lot of salt.
That's great. You need a glass of water.
If we lose, it's definitely his fault.
Tell me about your dish.
Well, we started with the unsalted mole sauce over there.
This is gochujang chicken skewers with a bed of rice. When you came out and said we had 15 minutes, I figured I'd take those 15 minutes to seriously wow you with rice, with the chicken, as well as a charred and salted lime.
I hope it's
With a
perfectly
nice
salted.
chimichurri sauce.
With the ancho chili pepper that you surprised us with.
Tell me about your editing process, because just like this team over here, I see a glass of wine in the
they
photo,
did too much with that
and
whole
I
thing
don't
over
see
there.
one in front of me.
Oh, that's because we don't drink, and so we just did it for the image. Thanks to Galaxy.
Yeah, the aesthetic.
Well, for some reason, this restaurant didn't have a fork and knife and napkin, so we actually just put that there.
Okay.
As you can see.
Yeah.
A nice glass of red, you know.
Awesome. So
a very
minimal.
classy
You
vibe.
went minimal.
Very
Very
classy.
minimal, very classy, not
Okay.
too much.
So let's see if this tastes as good as this looks. Everything's great. Lime. I love lime over anything.
Great.
Rice, a little too moist.
Oh,
I didn't know that was a thing.
we don't like wet rice.
See, we didn't even put our hands on that rice.
Both recipes look great, and you guys crushed the photos. They look amazing. I need some time to deliberate, okay? Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible talent in this room. From stunning presentations to bold flavors, both teams have truly delivered today. But only one team can take home the title. I added up the points, and taking home the very first Cooking with Galaxy win is... the Galaxy Gourmets.
Come on.
I knew you were gonna do that.
I'm sorry, you guys did great. You absolutely crushed it.
I'm just confused, you know.
But you guys are the winners. Thank you. Let's all take a picture. Let's take a picture.
Absolutely not. I'm gonna take a picture over here with Taylor. I don't really vibe with you like
Sore
that. right now.
losers, huh?
Well, 90% of our dish was done. We know it's because we set them up for success.
I feel like you have to just carry yourself with confidence no matter what. Look, we're professionals and we got it done.
Let's all take a photo together. Everyone say Galaxy.
Galaxy.